A picture of Elsa who is about to fall, a card with life wishes, cat Gumble who changes emotions, and many other unusual painting techniques. Watch in our today video! Double Bubble is seeing the dream where she's fallen somewhere again. So she lacks sleep because of it, and now she's been yawning all day. Now I'm going to surround myself with pillows. And now I'm definitely safe. And the fallen princess is a great idea for a picture. I draw Princess Elsa on a white sheet of paper. Start with her big blue eyes and the hair that is braided into a thick braid. Our Elsa is keeping her hands on something, and she's in a beautiful dress. And back here it's her coat waving this way, and the palms on high heels are on her feet. And color the dress base with a blue felt pen, and make sleeves and the lower parts of the coat with soft blue pencil. Elsa's hair is golden, so I color it with a yellow felt pen. Make her skin beige and her mouth and tongue red. Now I fold the paper in half and finish her hands and color them too. Ta-da! And the cool illusion is ready! Elsa as if trying not to fall from a height. Help! Help! Ah! On a white sheet of paper, write the name of the animals that we want to draw. The first and third letter can become funny eyes. The letter A is great for a nose. Now finish panda's ears and head. Down here it's two cute paws and a cute tail back here. And it's bamboo forest around the panda. Now color the baby spots around the eyes, the nose, and make ears black. Usually panda has black paws and a dark spot on the back. And of course the tail is black too. Color bamboo into green. Wow, such a cute panda here! And what about the word koala? At first, draw the baby eyes. The first and the last letter can turn into funny ears. Now join them together and draw the head. And down here draw the body with little paws. And let tools be placed here. And start coloring with black nose. And color the eyes too. Our koala is of grey color. Totally cover the body and fur. The belly remains white and color the paws into pink. And the funny picture of the baby koala is ready. And you can draw the same pictures from animal names. Today it's my friend's birthday, but I don't have any money for the present. Well, definitely not enough for a slime. Okay, no panic, as I got many other cool ideas. On a piece of pink paper, draw a square 7 cm long. And draw lines at the distance of 3.5 cm from it on both sides. Now cut out all this long pattern and make a cut inside our square. Now fold the pre-made lines. And we should get a funny concertina here. Now insert the tongue in the pre-made cut and glue it. And do the same on this side too. Now fold the whole concertina and glue it on the side here. On two equal squares, draw party pictures. Draw a party cake on the first one, and it has 3 layers, each of which is decorated with candles and berries. And the biscuits are of rich beige color, and the glaze is violet. Now cut this picture in half, and the second one is saying "Happy Birthday" and glue this birthday wish on the bottom of the concertina. And now insert the cake that has been cut in half. And glue tiny hearts on both handles. And the cool party concertina card is ready! With this one you'll definitely surprise the birthday person! Take 2 paper cups and draw cat Gumble on one of them. The tomcat has a big funny head and he's always smiling. And 2 ears up here. Now cut the part meant for eyes. Now color the cat into blue. And make the nose and the tongue pink. And may the palette be beige. Now insert this cup inside the second one and draw eyes on it. At first, standard Gumble eyes. They are oval with black pupils in the middle. Now color the window with these eyes into blue. Now twist the window and draw other eyes. And color the background into beige. And make eyes green. Now twist it again and draw one more pair of eyes. I color stars into yellow and the whole window into pink. On the inner cup you should get these funny eyes. Seems like Gumble is very surprised, twisted, and now he's flirting. And now he's having fun. It's a funny game from simple paper cups. From a black sheet of paper, cut out a 5 cm wide stripe. And now line it into several stripes. Now fold each stripe inside. I cut out 7 equal colorful squares. Now draw a heart on each of them. Now cut out each heart after another. Now glue the base of the black stripe and glue the first heart on it. Now take the next line and glue it and attach the next one. And we continue until all hearts are glued. In the lower part of the stripe, draw an arrow. Now cut it out. And now measure 17 centimeters from the remaining black paper and cut it out too. Now cut out a rectangle with sharp tips and put our snake on the paper and glue the rectangle onto the first heart. Now write some message or wish on each heart. And decorate the card itself with a white pencil. Now pull the arrow and it's possible to read each heart. And this cool snake can be given as a greeting card or a reminder to your friends. Well, I packed the backpack for tomorrow. A pencil, an eraser, a ruler. Where is my ruler? Oh, I lost it! So should I make lines along my fingers? Maybe Mom will buy me a new one. Well, okay, I have to show my natural sharpness. I take a long sheet of paper and fold it inside so that edges would join here. And now I line it up like a ruler. And draw Gru on a small square paper. Though he never smiles, I draw him smiling. And he always wears a scarf and a long jacket. I color his jacket into black and his scarf is striped, while the base is gray, and color his skin into beige. And draw his legs on the ruler. They are so long and that's why I need the ruler. And next to it, I draw the scarf extension and color the legs into black, while make the scarf black and gray striped. Now wrap the picture around the ruler so that it will join the legs. Wow, now it's possible to move Gru, and it's very comfortable for measuring some particular height. And let's draw a minion as his friend. The minion is yellow himself, while his pants are blue. Color his glasses into gray, and the eyes are yellow. And color the legs to fit the pants color. Now join the picture with the ruler, and the nice paper ruler is ready. With this, you can easily draw lines in your copybook or use it as a bookmark in your books. Fix a white sheet of paper with painter's tape from all sides. Now crumble different pastel colors on it. Yellow, then orange, then bright red, then goes into pink, then violet and blue and green. Now start painting with a finger. Carefully stamp pastel colors. I made this butterfly pattern and I put it right up here, and I crumble some black pastel. And now stamp pastel with a finger again. Now remove our pattern, and it's a beautiful colorful butterfly painting under it. Now remove all painter's tape, and we get a great gradient painting on black background. Put a like and subscribe to our channel.